Minasan, konnichiwa, watashi wa Hannah desu. Welcome back, guys, to Postcards, Texas. I'm Hannah, and we're gonna show you some street food yum-yums. And see you in a minute. Alright guys, so there's like all the food and it's like some around the corner, but yeah, I'm gonna try Hot Star first and let's see how we do. Alright guys, so it's right here. We have all these options. I'm gonna turn it around actually. We have all these options. So we got hot original, small fried chicken, chicken wings, cuttlefish balls, onion rings, shrimp, mushroom fries, bunch of little doodads. So I'm gonna get some just chicken tender looking things, and I'll let you know how it is. Alright guys, so that was really yummy. My mouth's on fire a little bit. You can tell by my lips, they probably got redder. Alright, so that was Hot Star chicken. It's really yummy. Apparently it's like Taiwanese or something. Don't quote me on that. Behind me we have like this egg puff, like pancake type thing that you can get in Hong Kong, and I can also smell the stinky tofu. Yeah, there's all these people behind me. Gets really busy around this area because it's a really popular tourist destination, so you should come and check out the street food in Mong. Alright, it's on Dundas Street and Young Choi South Street South. So check it out. This area is a really good place to go with like your friends, or if you're out and about and you get the munchies and stuff, because the food is really cheap, and I really recommend coming here and trying out the local street food cuisine. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and push that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time.